So we are at Oxford University and there's a gate here and it's very much a process to get through. Let me show you.
Oh, it's one by one. This is going to be a big
But this gate was made to keep cows from escaping their meadow and now it's just a deal. It's just a big deal to go through it.
And it's a pain in the butt.
No! I'm a litterer!
Can you put that on video?
I caught that on video. We are on the banks of the Thames. Allie is with me as
Hello.
she'll always be in the vlog.
Probably.
We just finished the walking tour of Harry Potter scenes around London for class. And look at this view. Like,
Hello.
hello. There it is. Gorgeous. We're going to King's Cross and then we're going to go to the Tate and St. Peter's Cathedral, I think is the plan.
I think it's St. Paul's Cathedral?
I don't know.
Something cathedral. That big thing.
Built
over
by
there.
Christopher Wren. I know the architect, So I'm on my way to the gym. We just got back from the center of the city and we did the Harry Potter walking tour and then a group of us went to King's Cross. Waited in line for about an hour to do the picture at platform 9 3/4. Then after that we got McDonald's because we were all starving and we're all kind of broke. And then we went, peeked in the British Library and came back and now I'm going to the gym. So in order to get to the gym, I have to walk through this forest that is on campus. It's actually really like beautiful and scenic and shady and breezy. There's wild raspberries all over the place. There's an apple orchard. It leads out into a pond. It's really quite beautiful. I don't want to go to the gym today, but I paid for a membership and I ate McDonald's for lunch, so I'm going. Here's my tattoo. I love it. I have a bruise from the tape because I ripped it off of my skin and my skin did not like that, so now I'm bruised. But today is cardio and arms, probably. So wish me luck for that one because it's gonna be a wild ride. So I just left the gym. There is a swan on the trail in front of me. Can you see it? So this swan is on the trail. There's a cat right there. 2 babies. The swan just hissed. Oh crap. I need to walk by the swan. If the cat comes near me, I also would like to pet it. It's over here now. Oh no, that cat is smart. It's afraid of the swan. But I think I'm gonna go the other way because this swan, number 1, looks like it's pooping. And number 2, it hissed and I'm scared. Jeff, did you eat that with the stem on it?
What are those? What are these? What are
Shorts,
those?
Jeff.
Ah!
Those are my Crocs.